Alright, forgive the music. It's a 1977 Leyland Mini, built in Auckland, New Zealand. Rare. This is rare. I've never seen this here. It's a 1977 Leyland Mini. So drive on the right-hand side, just like I drove down here with my Suzuki. You got a 4-speed. New Zealand, huh? Guess it's 140 kilometers an hour, not miles an hour. I don't think this would do 140 miles an hour. Locking gas cap. 1,000, but it's lightweight. This thing would probably haul. A lot of room for a little car too, because they didn't have all this stuff with this. You know, in other words, they could just make the car structurally sound, roll down the highway. Didn't have to have side bags and all this other garbage. So you had a lot of room back here. That's got to be kilometers an hour. I just couldn't imagine it's doing 140 miles an hour. So when you're doing 100 kilometers an hour, you're doing 60. So that speedometer does about 85 around there. And you got this thing is probably easy to work on too. Look at the size of the tires on this thing. Wow, small tires, almost like a golf cart. And look at the driving lamps. Driving lamps, you really got a lot of, it's like a rally car basically. I guess if the tires are a little bit bigger, this thing would really, you know, you add more weight when your tires get bigger. So, but I would get bigger tires with this, I think, because, I don't know, this would be a little bit, I don't know how it worked out. It probably worked out pretty good. Leyland Mini, New Zealand. So they went from that song to this song. I'll tell you what, boy, they really, I mean, they got 180, this place over here is freaking weird. Good car shows, but it's a weird place, I'll tell you. Oh, sweet. This thing's cool. This thing's cool. New Zealand, huh? That's where the spooky rife machines are built, or engineered. New Zealand. Spooky rife. In a spooky scaler. So we're going to be getting that. Warranty of Fitness 2000. Warranty of Fitness. That's a good one. This car is fit to drive. 2008. Land Transport. Got a warranty of fitness. There's your little washers there. A Mini. Zipping around in a Mini. It's freaking wild, man. Get around this way. There you go. It's a cool car, man. 1,000 cc's. I bet you that thing still gets up and goes, because this does. But if you add 4 people in this thing, so one person, you wouldn't notice it. 4 people, you would. That's where you would notice it. There's power to weight.